all weekend long from start to finish. It's going to be amazing. Great, all the way till Sunday.
When you go and ride with someone, you develop some trust, man. You're ripping 60, 70 miles an hour over a mountain pass.
If you're not coming to Four Corners Rally, you're fucking up. That's all there is to it. I don't know if you're allowed to say that.
Weather is beautiful, people is beautiful, music, bikes.
Intense.
This rally is more of a three-ring circus than a lot. You know, you've got the Wall of Death, you got the circle track, you got the hill climb. You really have so many different facets to this rally.
If you don't ride here, you're blowing it.
It's a religious experience, like type of riding.
I grew up in Ignacio, and I was the only one in the 8th grade with a Harley Davidson.